Hey everyone, welcome back to Soulful Summit. I'm Grace, and I'm so excited to have you here today. If you're new to the channel, Soulful Summit is all about introspection, inspiration, and motivation. We dive deep into topics that help us grow and become the best versions of ourselves. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community. Today, I want to talk about something that I think we all need to do from time to time: spring cleaning our lives. Now, I'm not talking about cleaning out your closet or organizing your kitchen cabinets. I'm talking about decluttering your schedule and prioritizing what truly matters. We live in a fast-paced world where we're constantly bombarded with commitments, obligations, and distractions. Our schedules are filled to the brim, leaving us feeling overwhelmed and exhausted. But here's the thing: we have the power to change that. By decluttering our schedules, we can create more space for the things that truly matter to us. It's about taking a step back and asking ourselves, what brings me joy? What aligns with my values? What do I want to prioritize in my life? When we prioritize what truly matters, we can focus our time and energy on the things that bring us fulfillment and happiness. It's about saying no to the things that don't serve us and yes to the things that light us up. Now, I know it's not always easy to say no. We don't want to disappoint others or miss out on opportunities. But here's the truth: when we say yes to everything, we're spreading ourselves too thin. We're not able to give our best to the things that truly matter. So, I challenge you to take a look at your schedule and identify the things that you can let go of. Maybe it's that weekly commitment that no longer brings you joy. Maybe it's that project that's been on your to-do list for months, but doesn't align with your values anymore. Whatever it is, give yourself permission to let it go. By decluttering your schedule and prioritizing what truly matters, you'll create more space for the things that bring you joy and fulfillment. You'll have more time for self-care, for pursuing your passions, and for spending quality time with loved ones. So my friends, let's spring clean our lives together. Let's declutter our schedules and make room for what truly matters. I promise you, it'll be worth it. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll be sharing more content like this to help you on your journey of self-discovery and personal growth. Thank you so much for joining me today. Remember, you have the power to create a life that brings you joy and fulfillment. Until next time, take care and keep shining your light.